Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my lashes. Yeah, this is gonna be like a little maintenance vlog. I'm doing my lashes today. This is my outfit. Sorry, Rafika's on the phone if you can hear her talking. But I'm wearing my DKNY bag, these cream pants from Zara, and then underneath I've got my Lululemon, but this jacket's warm, so I'm wearing this jacket. But yeah, I'm gonna get my lashes on today by Lash Princess. Oh wait, no, she changed her name. Wait, it's carved clinic, sorry. I'm just so used to Lash Princess, but yeah, so I'm gonna get my lashes on today. So I'll see you guys when I'm at my lash appointment. Hi guys, so I'm just walking. Rafika's on the phone to me in my earphones, but I'm just walking to my lash appointment. My forehead is on 5,000 today. Whatever it is, Rafika, it's on 5,000. But yeah, I'm just walking to my lash appointment, guys. It got rescheduled to 3 o'clock, so it's a bit later now, but I don't mind. Me and Rafika went Nando's. But yeah guys, I can't wait to do my hair tomorrow. I'm doing my hair tomorrow in Northwest. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I'm at the studio.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Oh, Tish.
Yes.
Do you want me to still do a bit more? It's dry, isn't it?
Yeah, it's dry.
And I didn't even drink, thank God.
Yes. Where's my hairband? I put my hairband downstairs, I think. Guys, I feel like the gym's actually been helping. Okay, don't watch that because I just washed my hair, but my belly just needs to go down a bit more. But it's cutesy. Guys, the women in McDonald's. No.
kind of because she was doing
Yeah,
too
she's
much.
doing two things at once.
Yeah, it's their own fault.
Guys, we paid the Mackie for the Mackies and she gave the money back because she's doing two things at once and she got confused.
She gave us £20.
So I got 3 Mackies. She gave the whole £20 back and the 40p. My free burger. Hey, so I'm back home now. Yeah, we went Mackey's. That woman at the drive-thru is so slow. I'm not being funny because this is why they shouldn't make them do two things at once. Because how can you give back the £20 I gave you and the change from that you were supposed to give me from taking the £20? But anyway, free food. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I came home, my parcel came from Ego. I ordered these shorts for my Halloween costume because I'm gonna be dressing up for Halloween, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a get ready with me. I'll do that in another video. But yeah, I'm home. I'm just gonna chill. I need to find my wig. Forget chilling. I need to find my wig because my hair appointment is tomorrow. So let me get up. I have a feeling I put it. Yeah, it's here. I knew where it was the whole time. I was just trying to act like it was flipping MIA. But it's here. My wig. I'm so excited to do my hair. But is it just me, or when you get your hair done the next day, do you just love your natural hair before it's about to go away? Or maybe it's just me, I don't know. Like that natural hair and lashes, I know it looks kind of musty or messy, but it's giving very much cutesy. But yeah, guys, I love my lashes so much. I always said to add spikes. I'm not really a spike girl, but I thought let's switch up. Yes, they look amazing. Like very dark, very full. Love them. But yeah, I'm gonna chill and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm on the way to my hair appointment.
Yeah? You see them? Oh, yeah. Love it.
Got my lashes done last night.
I don't know, I can see it. Yeah, I'm done it. Did you see?
What, the post?
Yeah, no. This is what I'm saying.
This is what they say to me. I just ignore the questions. So.
I'm gonna have to talk about what I say, man, because I can't just leave it as.
Yeah.
Billboard is the one that's up in the air, like, yeah, everyone can see.
I don't know. You have to ask someone. I don't know.
I got some wrap from Lido the other day. Look, I made some sauce meat.
Yeah, it's not.
I put some prawns and stuff in it. Prawns and some, what's it called? Mix. Some pie meat and fish, yeah. So I bought some wrap. I'm gonna wrap in this wrap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wrap.
Is that what you're gonna make today?
From Lido. Yeah, I'm gonna make some wraps. So what I do? I want to cook proper food. It's not really proper for me, like, you know.
To take it out.
We hit the plan and his cops feeling jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like is it over. She gets down just like is it over. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way. said she won't, soft till he gone. She wasn't on a roller, she wanted on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Probably see you. You see the light skin girl with the light skin crew. Trying to win a 3 house to say this bitch looks like painted on. She gets down just like painted on. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back in this away. Every time, like that. And every new word, she just away.
Hey Dollies, good morning. Today is Thursday 30th of October. I done my hair yesterday. Loved it. As you guys could see, I kept smiling in all the clips. But yeah, I got my hair done by my usual hairstylist that I go to. And yeah, today I'm gonna do my nailsies. As you guys know, I'm a nail tech, so I'm gonna do it myself. Yeah, they look battered. Let me show you guys the inspo quickly. I've actually done this set before, but I done it back in 2023 when I was still like a beginner. So obviously this time they're gonna look a little bit better. How cutesy is that? I know it's not really Halloween, but I always get the same pink base. I thought, let me do nude because I haven't done nude. Guys, as you can see, I've just woken up. When I have lashes on, this stuff comes on my face, like crust and that. And guys, I've been sleeping with this lash eye mask thing. I think it's helping. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm excited to do my nails. I'm gonna bring you guys with me to the salon. I've even got one client today at 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna do her first and then do my nails afterwards and then go home. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited to do my nails. I want to do them long. I haven't done long in so long. So yeah. Yeah, I'll be back with you guys when I'm at the salon. Hey guys, so I just got to the salon. I'm always trying to find somewhere to put this freaking phone. I don't like putting it down here. But guys, don't watch this stain on my jacket. It's makeup from like last year. I need to wash it. I need to wash it. But it's from Hollister. I love it so much, this jacket. But yeah, I went nail shop quickly because I needed to get some things. I've been saying, I literally said I was supposed to go nail shop in my last vlog. Did I go? I kept saying I'm gonna go. And I only went today. But yeah, I'm about to do my nailsies. But I'm also, whilst I'm doing my nails, I'm gonna record a video on my camera about nails. So I bought my camera. Guys, I kind of like recording on my phone now, and it's kind of bad because obviously I bought the camera. But wait, it is what it is. Like, I can't do anything about it. But yeah, I'm gonna start my nails. They look dead. They look so dead. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean my tools. I didn't crimp my hair this morning because I'm not trying to crimp it too much because I want to crimp it properly for Halloween, so I'm just waiting. So today and tomorrow I'm not doing it. So it's but yeah, guys, I'm literally so hungry. The chicken shop across the street was actually looking at me when I came off the bus, but we gotta keep this figure. I feel like I've actually lost weight, like this morning when I woke up, I said, whoa, like, you know, sorry, you guys just saw my knickers, but my belly's gone down a lot. And do you know what? Yeah, I've been walking so much. I haven't been to the gym in like a week, but I've been walking a lot. Like the past couple of days, I've just been walking. And I haven't really been eating like that. I think that's another thing. Because when I'm getting everything done, lashes, hair, like I literally don't eat. And it's not even on purpose. I just don't have time to eat. Because by the time I get home, I'm just tired. But yeah, let's start these nails. Guys, I'm just doing my nails. I just finished recording my video. My separate video, but so far I've just finished prepping my nails. This is the length I decided to go with. I would say these are long. I was gonna say medium long. They're long. They're long. I feel like I want to go down one more magnum, I think, or I might leave it. I might leave them like this, but yeah, they're cutesy. So yeah, I'm gonna do the application now, and I'll be back when I've done application. Guys, look how gorgeous my nails look. Don't watch that bumpy bit there. The white acrylic wants to play games with me today, but they look so good. And my other hand, I didn't do that bad today. I don't know what's going on with this camera. Like, I'm so done. This is the last time I buy this stupid camera, bro. But yeah, how cutesy, I love them so much. I feel like you know, this length is okay. I might file them down just a tiny bit shorter, but I've literally got an hour until my client comes, so I'm just gonna quickly do the design and be back. Hey those, I'm back home now. Look at my nailsies. They're so cute. They're so cute. The last clip I showed you guys, I'd left them like that for like about an hour, and then I added this one. I was my Instagram story. It's got kind of dirty already. This is why I didn't like crook print, but when I shower it'll come off. Even when I wash my hands it'll come off. Yeah, I added that. I've just been feeding Princey Poo, spending time with her. Yeah, it's late. I got home around like 9, like just before 10 I got home. I got home quite late today. But yeah, hair's done, lashes done, nails done. I'm ready for Halloween. Guys, PSA, I don't celebrate Halloween. Like I never celebrate it, but this year I thought like it's okay to get dressed up in it. Like I just thought, let me get dressed up. So yeah, I'm excited. My costume for Princess Tiana came, because I'm dressing up as Princess Tiana on, well, I was supposed to on one of the days, but I don't think I'm going out anymore for that one. But this is my corset. It's so cute. And guys, it came with this thing. I don't know what this is. I'm thinking it's a thong in it, like, but then I don't know what it is, but that's what I'm thinking. But it's cutesy. But it's like, how can this be a thong? I'm just a bit confused. Anyway, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I actually enjoyed this vlog. Like it's a bit different, you know. I'm always getting my hair done, so yeah, that's nothing new. But I thought, let me make a video for you guys so you can see what it's like behind the scenes. But yeah, thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.